Cardiff Students' Union is the heart of Cardiff student life, and we're here to represent you. Shumai, hi everyone, and welcome to Cardiff University. I hope you've enjoyed your first few weeks here. I hope you're settling in, and I hope that you're also looking forward to the next years of study and research. My name is Angie Flores Acuña. I'm your Vice President Postgraduate for this year, and I'm here to introduce you to our student community and to the Cardiff Students' Union, or the SU, like we like to call it here. I was elected to represent postgraduate students at all levels across both campuses, to represent you on issues that affect you, your well-being, and your wider student experience. Here's a short introduction to your SU.
Unwaith i chi gofrestru ym Mhrifysgol Caerdydd, rydych yn aelod o'r Undeb Myfyrwyr ac yn aelod o gymuned wych o 30,000 o bobl. Mae'r Undeb Myfyrwyr yn galon bywyd myfyrwyr Caerdydd. Golyga hyn fod yr Undeb yn hybu myfyrwyr i lwyddo ac yn gefn iddynt pan fa angen cymorth mewn amgylchedd cynhwysol ble all myfyrwyr fod yn nhw eu hunain. Daeth Undeb Myfyrwyr Caerdydd yn ail drwy'r Deyrnas Unedig yn wobrau dewis myfyrwyr What Uni yn 2022 am yr Undeb Myfyrwyr gorau, ac mae'n gyson o dod fewn y 5 uchaf am foddhad myfyrwyr ar draws y Deyrnas Unedig. Dyma'ch swyddogion sabathol eleni cawsant eu hethol yn ystod ein etholiadau Gwanwyn yn y flwyddyn academaidd diwethaf. Maent yn fyfyrwyr sy'n cymryd amser allan o'i astudiaethau neu sydd wedi gorffen eu astudiaethau yn ddiweddar. Maent yna i gynrychioli faterion a syniadau sy'n bwysig i'n aelodau, sef chi, a gallwch chi ddod i'r hyd i'r hyn maent yn gweithio arno ar cardiffstudents.com. Dyma eich swyddogion ymgyrch eleni, swyddi rhan amser i'r rhain sy'n cael eu cyflawni gan fyfyrwyr presennol. Maent yn cyflawni rolau hyn ochr yn ochr â'i astudiaethau, a chawsen eu hethol yn etholiadau'r Gwanwyn hefyd. Maent yn cynrychioli grwpiau amrywiol ac yn cynnal ymgyrchoedd er bydd eu grwpiau cynrychiadol. Rydym wedi ein lleoli ar Gampws Cyteis a Champws Parc y Mynydd Bychan. Os ydych chi yn Cyteis, gallwch ein ffeindio ar Park Place, gyferbyn ar brif adeilad. Gallwch ddod o hyd i ni yr ochr arall i'r ganolfan bywyd myfyrwyr Newydd Sbon. Gallwch hefyd fynd i mewn i'n adeilad Cyteis o ffordd Sanghennydd, ychydig lawr y stryd o Lidl a drws nesaf i'r orsaf Brennaeth Cyteis. Os ydych chi ar Gampws Parc y Mynydd Bychan, ewch drwy neu o amgylch adeilad Cochrane i'r lolfa IV ac fe welwch hwb Undeb y Myfyrwyr ar y chwith.
As a postgraduate student at Cardiff University, you automatically join the Postgraduate Association, which is a network for postgraduate students that also hosts a lot of activities, like for example, the welcome events that we host in September. The group is run by students like you in partnership with me. If you have any suggestions for events or activities that you would like to see, please get in touch with me and we can make it happen together. The Students' Union runs the academic representation system here at Cardiff, which means that your voice is being heard at every single level of the university. There are postgraduate research representatives, or PGRRs, in each academic school, and these students are supported by us to ensure that your feedback makes positive change in your student experience. You can even become a student rep yourself and help to shape your experience into exactly what you want it to be. All reps are trained and supported by the Students' Union, so if you're interested in getting involved, please email studentreps@cardiff.ac.uk for more information. We are also so proud to be home to Student Advice, which offers free, confidential, and impartial advice to every student at Cardiff University on issues surrounding academic study, housing, employment, and so much more. If you're finding yourself struggling to meet deadlines, you want to make a complaint, or you need any other type of support regarding your research, you can contact them at advice@cardiff.ac.uk. The SU is also where you can get involved with incredible societies and sports clubs. Here's everything you need to know.
Mae Wrth Cymdeithasau Caerdydd yn gartref i dros 200 o cymdeithasau gyda 8,500 o fyfywyr yn cymryd rhan. Mae'r gymuned hon yn cynnwys mwy na 25% o fyfywyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Efallai bod gen eich cwrs academaidd gymdeithas i gallwch imwno â, neu allech i ddod yn aelod y gymdeithasau amrywiol eraill. O gan i mwyn côr i bobi, i ddawnsio Broadway i gemau fideo, beth bynnag sydd o ddiddordeb i chi, byddwch chi'n ffeindio cymdeithas i'ch diddanu. Dyma chyffrwr i gael hwyl a roi cynnig ar rhywbeth newydd, neu barhau i ddilyn diddordeb sydd gennych ers talwm. Mae'r Undeb Athletau yn gartref i 68 o glybiau chwaraeon, gyda 5,500 o fyfywyr yn cymryd rhan. Mae clybiau hyn yn cynnig dewis enfawr y chwaraeon. Chwaraeon unigol a thîm, chwaraeon awyr agored, chwaraeon dŵr, crefftau ymladd a chlaw a mwy. Mae gan chwaraeon rôl enfawr y mywyd myfywyr ac mae dewis iang o glwbiau yn rhoi gyfle i bawb gymryd rhan mwyn rhywbeth os hoffent. Y cathbwynt y calendar chwaraeon yw gem Varsity Cymru sy'n tyfu o hyd. Varsity Cymru yw digwyddiad chwaraeon myfywyr mwyaf yng Nghymru ac mae'n digwydd bob Gwanwyn ble mae Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cystadlu yn erbyn Prifysgol Abertawe. Mae mwy na 40 o ddigwyddiadau i gystadlu yn ddynt ac i fynd i'r gwylio. Yn 2022, enillog Caerdydd y Darian Varsity gan sgorio 29 pwynt i 15 ac yn 2023 rydym am wneud yr un peth eto. P'un a ydych chi'n cystadlu, neu os ydych yno i gefnogi ffrind, mae angen eich cefnogaeth arnom. I ddarganfod mwy, dwy'ch i feriau Freshers yn yr undeb myfywyr yn ystod pythefnos Freshers. Ond paidiwch â phoeni os nad ych chi'n gallu mynd o'ch i cardiffstudents.com i gael mwy o wybodaeth. Os na allwch chi ffeindio unrhyw beth sydd o ddiddoreb i chi, beth am sefydlu cymdeithas neu clwb chwaraeon eich hunain. Gallwch unrhyw i wneud hyn. Y cyffan sydd ei angen yw 20 aelod.
Our Give It A Go team offers activities that are perfect for our research students. You can try almost all our societies and sports clubs. You can go on day trips in Cardiff or even go further afield, like going to Oxford, London, Stonehenge. So keep an eye out and try something new. In the SU, we also offer other opportunities through Cardiff volunteering, through job shops, skills development service, and our student media. If you would like to get more involved with the postgraduate life, you can join the postgraduate executive committee. This is a group of both postgraduate taught and postgraduate research students that work closely with me to run campaigns, represent students, and attend meetings with university. They also help to plan and run postgraduate events for the Postgraduate Association. Applications are now open on our Student Union website. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message and I'll go back to you. We are here to support and enhance every aspect of your student life, and I'm still looking forward to meeting you soon. If you would like to know more about any of the opportunities that we can offer you, please visit our website on cardiffstudents.com. You can also follow us on any of our social media at Cardiff Students, or you can drop me an email at vppostgraduate@cardiff.ac.uk. If you have any problems throughout the year, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to hear from you.